we have a Bridgeport mill. We have it hooked up to 230 volt, 3-phase power, and also to 115 volts for the table feeder. We're gonna turn it on here and show you that it works. First off is we're gonna turn it in one direction right here. That's in forward, and then the other direction, that's reverse. Okay, you wanna go down on this here. Go down, back up. Then we're gonna do the speed. Right now it's at a medium speed. That's slower, goes a lot slower. And then we'll increase it. And that's your max right there. So that's your variable speed control. And the other control you have right here, it's a table feed. You can see the table sliding this way, back towards me. And you can change the speed on it. You can slow it down. And then you can go the other direction as well. Now it's sliding this way. And then the last one that we have here is this one right here. Sorry, this one makes it go up and down here. So you see it kind of going up. Oops. And then you can also go down. And then this one right here, that's your in and out. So that's gonna go. See the table going back, going that way, and then now towards me. And so those are all your travels right there. This is a Bridgeport mill.